he can join after the class. No problem. Alhamdulillah. Let's start what recording. So I will start again. This lesson is 11.1. How to read the line plot. This is the title. I said on Sunday, your dad give you 7 riyals. Monday, your dad give you 5 riyals only. Tuesday, he gave you 5 also. Wednesday, he give you 7 riyals. But on Thursday, he give you 20 riyals. How to make the line plot for these numbers? Just draw the numbers. What is the smallest number here? It's 5, put 5. The second number is 7, it's 7. But the 20 is so far here, 20. Because when you say 5, 7, you have to say 5, 6, like here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the 20 is so far. The 5 repeated how many times? May you check? The 5 repeated 2 times here, 1 and 2. So put 2 dots. 2 dots, because the 5 repeated 2 times. See? Here, the 5 and 5. The 7 also repeats how many times? It's 2 times. So on the 7th, draw 2 lines. Please draw with me, please. Write this at any place down and draw with me. The 20 repeated how many times? 1 time. That's it. Here, this is how to draw the line plot, but today we will learn how to read it, how to read the line plot. So this is, if you want to draw, you will get the 5 2 times. So the 5 put it 2 dots. The 7 also 2 dots. Here 2 dots. The 20 1 time. So this is how to draw it. But if I want to read it, and I write here money. If you see the graph, you will know that your dad give you 5 riyals in 2 days. And also you will know that your dad give you 7 riyals in 2 days. But your dad give you 20 riyals only in 1 day. So these 20, we will take it the next page. It's called outlier. Outlier means that the number that is so far from the line. So far means there's a big distance between the biggest number 7. The biggest number is 7 here, but there's a big space. When you have a big space, so the 20 is outlier. Okay, the next page will start. To understand, this is the introduction. We will make the next page like this. Now 592. Here, a line plot, this is the definition. As I drew it before, a line plot shows the data along number line. So as I drew before, it was 5 2 days, and it was 7 2 days, and the 20 for 1 day only. So it represents the data. The data mean these numbers across or along a number line. This is number line. What is the meaning of outlier? An outlier is any number in the data that is very different from the rest. I will start to ask a student in the class, like Rayyan Saif. Rayyan Saif.
Yes.
What is the outlier number here?
The outline.
Make your voice high, I cannot hear you. What is the outlier?
Mister, your voice is not. I can't hear you.
Why? Now you hear me?
Yes.
I said in the first of the video, in the beginning of the video, I said that your dad give you 5 reals in 2 days. Your dad give you 7 reals in 2 days. But your dad give you 20 reals on which day? Do you remember when I was writing here? Do you remember or not?
Yeah.
On which day your dad give you 20 reals?
In Sunday he gave 7.
In Sunday he gives 7, yes. Say.
And Monday he gave 5.
Monday he give 5. Tuesday.
And Tuesday 7.
7.
And 5.
Wednesday 5. Thursday 20. When we draw it, we draw the 5 2 times, as I said here. The 7 2 times, as I said here. The 20, how many times he give you?
1 time.
The number that is so far to the other numbers, it's what?
20.
20. This is the outlier. That's why he said, just wait. I will show you now, Ryan. He said here,
Okay.
the outlier number, it's any number that is very different from the rest of the numbers. Very different means very far or so far. There's a big distance between the 7 and 20, so the 20 is outlier. 20 is out what?
Outline.
Outlier. You understand?
Outline.
Outlier.
Yeah.
Outlier mean like the student that he always lie on his dad, on her mom, or on the teacher. That means he's so different. He's very different from the rest of the students. So we call it, when I say to a student, you are a liar, that means he is different. Yes or no?
Yeah, he's different.
That's why I said that 20 is outlier. The 20 here is outlier because the 7
outlier.
Here.
Because 7 and 5
They are close to each other.
Yeah.
But the 20 is so far. Do you understand?
So far, yeah. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so far.
So far, yes. Thank you. I will ask another one. I will make another one that he can help me. Mahmoud Iyad. Mahmoud. Laith. Please. Laith.
Yes, Mister.
Who's talking? Laith or who?
Laith. Yeah, Laith.
Laith. Good. You came late or you attended from the beginning?
From the beginning.
Good. See? Laith. I want to read this table and how to draw it. How to what? How to draw it.
Draw it.
See here? What is the lowest number here? There is 1, there is half, there is 1.5, there is 1, huh?
There is 1.5.
There is 1.5, there is 3, there is 1. You understand?
There is 1. Yes.
Okay. What is the lowest number here? What do you think?
Half. Monday.
Monday, how many?
Half.
Half mile. Half what?
Mile.
Half mile. Good. See?
Alhamdulillah.
Oh. So Ryan says, make your mic mute. Thank you.
Okay.
See, Laith? So don't think about the days, think about the numbers only. These are the data that we want to make it on a number line. The lowest number is half, so he put here half. So 0, half. Every time he add half, so 1,
and half, 2,
1 and a half. Add
three.
half, it will be 2. Add half.
2 and a half,
Add half.
3.
3. There is 0 here or not, Laith? There is 0 or not here?
No,
No.
not.
Good. How many half do we have here? How many halves do we have?
3.
No, half only. I'm not talking about 1 and a
No,
half.
1.
One half, yes? That's why above the half he put only 1 dot. You understand why?
Yeah.
Because the half is repeated 1 time only. See? The half is repeated 1 time. What about the one, Laith? The one repeated how many times?
3.
1, 2, 3. That's why he put how many dots here, Laith?
3.
3. Good job. What about 1 and a half? 1 and a half repeated how many times, Laith? See?
2 times.
2 times. Good. So that's why he put 2 dots here. There is 2 here or not, Laith?
No, not.
So don't put any
No.
what? Any dot. There is 2 and a half or not?
Not.
Okay.
No.
There is 3 or not?
Yes.
How many 3s we have?
1.
1 only. What do you think about the outlier, Laith? The outlier mean the number that have big distance between what? Between the number before. What is the number that have big distance? Is it 0? The 0 has distance, but the 3 has a big distance. Do you see or not? Huh?
This 3.
See, there's a big distance or not here. See? A space. Do you see a space?
Yes.
There's a big space or not?
Yes.
So the 3 is outlier. The longest space or the longest distance is what? 3. That's why it's
3.
outlier. Out what?
Liar.
I said again, like in the real life, when somebody, when he always lie on his teacher, on his mom, on his neighbors, or the students, the classmates, they always be afar of him or close to him. What do you think? When somebody who always lie on you, he always lie, he always lie. We will be close to him or so far? You will be far to him or close?
So far.
So far. That's why this 3 we call it outlier. Do you understand or not?
Yes.
So when you see that these are the classmates, they are close to each other, they love each other, but this 3 is so far, that means they don't, these students don't like this 3. That's why the 3 is out what? Huh? Out what?
Liar.
Outlier. Do you understand?
Liar. Yes.
So everybody always love liars or hate liars?
Hate liars.
Hate liars, that means it's so far, okay? I will ask another one if you understood or not. Thank you, Abdul Aziz. Abdul Aziz?
Yes.
You hear me?
Yes.
Okay, what is the outlier number here?
3.
3. Why?
Because it has a long distance.
A long, mashallah, tabarakallah, mashallah, tabarakallah. Because the 3 has a long distance between the number before and it. But when a student say that the 0 is outlier, say no problem, it has a small distance. So no problem. But for the 3, it's outlier. It's out what? Outlier. Do you understand?
Yes.
See, he said here to the students, the dot above 3 is far away from the other dots. Like when a guy is he always lie on his classmates, they will be far or close to him. Abdulaziz?
What? Can
When
you
the
repeat?
student, when he always lie on you, you will be far to him or far from him or close to him?
Far from her.
Far from him. That's why the 3 is outlier. You understand?
Yes.
Thank you. Now I will ask Ali Uraiqat. Ali? Ali? Ali?
No.
Are you ready for the questions?
Yeah.
Good. Now I will start to erase what I did. Thank you. Then we'll start to solve with you. Yes.
Waleed.
Huh? Ask. Ali. I will ask another one because I think his mic has a problem. Ali Khairi.
Yes, mister.
Read this
Which one?
here. Do you see the page or
Okay.
not? 592.
Yeah. Put four dots on the line plot below, so 3 is not an outlier. How did you decide where to place your dots?
Did you understand what is the concept, the main concept of the outlier?
Yes.
What is the outlier number here?
3.
3. Why? Because it's far from
Because
the numbers or
it's
close to the numbers?
far.
Far. How I put, he said, we need to put 4 dots. You have to imagine with me. We need to put 4 dots on this number line to make the 3 not an outlier. Where you put the dots, Ali?
The
Here you can see. You need to put 4 dots as you want. I will tell you that the stupid student will say what? Then, mashallah, you are smart. The stupid one will say, I will put here the 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Habibi, if you put here the 4 dots, the 3 is still outlier. If you put here the 4 dots, so your answer is wrong. You have to think by another way. Do you understand? So we need to put 4 dots to make the 3, to reduce the distance between the 3 and. So where do we put the dots?
we will put at the 2.
MashaAllah,
And
tabarakallah.
2
We
and
have,
half.
wallahi, have smart students, wallah. Here we have the 2. Huh? Like we can here
2.
put 2 dots. And here also put what?
2 have 2 dots.
2 dots. Now there is no distance. So the numbers here, the classmates are close to each other. That's why the 3 now become not what and what? Huh? Can you tell me? Become what now? Non-outlier.
Outlier.
So if somebody is always lie on his classmate, they will say to him, you are what? A liar, like something.
Liar.
But when he stopped lying, now the 3 is stop lying on her what? Classmates. So that's why there is no distance between the 3 and the numbers. Now all of them are friends. See, Ali? All of them now like a friend here. So there is no
Family.
distance. Now this is the answer. All the class, you have to put the dots here to reduce the distance. Now there is no distance. Now you have to write here now the 3 is not outlier, is not outlier. I think you understand, Ali, yes?
Yes.
Thank you. Please copy, I will erase. Rayan Majdali. Rayan? Rayan Majdali? Hello? Rayan?
Yes, mister?
Are you with me or what? What you were doing?
Yes.
Did you draw this?
Yes.
Now, after putting these points, the 3 become an outlier or not?
The 3?
Now, after putting these dots, the 3 become an outlier or not?
No.
No, good job. Thank you. We'll go to the other page, the next page, sorry. Go to the next page or the class. The question for you, Rayan, because you are smart, see? Do you see this graph? Huh?
Which one?
Page
Yes.
593. Do you see this graph or not?
Yes.
Okay, read number 3.
Number 3, how many graphs are 14
How many
feet
giraffes
tall?
are 14 feet tall? This is the tall in feet. How many dots over the 14? These are the giraffes, see? Huh? How many giraffes over the 14? How many here?
Like up to 14?
Yeah, above the 14, how many dots?
2.
2. So the answer is 2. You have to write 2 giraffes here. Copy because there is no space. So copy this word here. Another question for, I will check. Mahmoud Iyad. Mahmoud.
Yes, sir.
Mahmoud.
Okay, Mr. Number 4.
Number 4, Mahmoud. What do you think?
What is the most common height? 15.
Why? MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Why?
Because it has the most dots. That means that it has the most giraffes.
Yeah, the height 15 feet has more giraffes. So that's why it's the most common height. It's 15. So you must write 15. Thank you. Another question for another one. Bishir. Bishir,
Yes, mister.
you are talking with who? Please solve with me number 5.
Number 5.
Yeah.
How tall is the tallest giraffe?
How tall is the tall? These are the tall. See here? These are talls, huh? What is the tallest giraffe? Is it 14 feet or 15 feet, 16 or 18 feet? What is the biggest number down here?
18.
18. So the answer is 18. The next question. The next question is for Hussam. Hussam.
Yes.
What do you think
Hello.
about number 6?
Number 6.
Yeah.
Is 18 feet an outlier? Explain.
Do the 18 is liar, outlier يعني? You are kidding طبعا, it's not liar, it means outlier, huh? Do the 18 is an outlier? Yes or no?
No.
Huh? There's a
Yes.
space or not?
Yes.
So as I said, if somebody is a liar, so his classmates will hate him. So the 18 is outlier. We say yes because